Common pronunciation mistakes in English. Often pronounced as comfortable instead of the correct comfortable. Commonly mispronounced as chocolate instead of chocolate. Frequently said as February instead of the correct February. Often pronounced as Pacific instead of specific. Commonly pronounced as receipt instead of the correct receipt. Sometimes pronounced as often instead of the more common often. Worcestershire instead of Worcestershire. Commonly said as library instead of library. Frequently pronounced as mischievous instead of the correct mischievous. Often mispronounced as iron instead of iron. These mistakes can lead to confusion, so it's helpful to practice the correct pronunciations.